Contigo or Yeti? I find myself more and more reaching for the Yeti. Stay tuned, I'll show you why. Both of the cups I'm comparing here today have been used for a while, and that's to see how they hold up over time. The capacity of the Contigo cup is 16 ounces, whereas the Yeti is a 20 ounce cup in this case. Now both cups feel great in your hands, and they're sized pretty good for me. I prefer the Yeti cup, it fits better in my hand, but the wife likes the Contigo cup, I guess with smaller hands. Maybe it's a little more comfortable. That being said, she still reaches for the Yeti as well. The lids of both of these cups are pretty awesome, although I do have to say there's something very addictive about the Yeti slider. It's got me hooked. The Contigo cup has a different style lid altogether. It does seal, and it has like a push to drink button. There's also a locking tab at the top, and to clean this thing you can throw it on the top rack of the dishwasher like so, and just pop it in. So right there, the Yeti is not as spill proof as the Contigo cup, so there's a slight difference there. More in-depth look at the lids here, kind of side by side. Again, I can't help but resist play with that slider. I don't know, it's pretty slick. Very pleasant experience. So one of the tests I'm gonna do, everybody likes their hot coffee, so let's see how long it keeps water hot. I've got a thermometer here off to the side. Now after heating up my boiling water, we're gonna fill both cups up, and I'm gonna let them sit with the lids on for, I think it's 4 hours and about 30 minutes before I pull them off. In fact, I forgot about it. I was gonna do it every 2 hours, but ended up getting sidetracked with other projects around the house. So I just ended up checking the temperature at 4 hours, and I got a clear indication, so that's awesome. Now in between measuring the temperatures between the two cups, just to make sure that one doesn't preheat the other thermometer, etc., and skew the results, I use the remaining water left in the kettle at whatever temperature it was. First off, I'm going to choose the Yeti and stick the thermometer in there. Left it for about a minute, and here you can see the result is about 60 degrees. Back into the kettle to neutralize the temperature. And we'll take the lid off of the Contigo cup here and see kind of where that one fared out. Oh, winner is in. We got a 56, it looks like, on this one. Not surprising, there is more fluid ounces inside the Yeti. Side-by-side cup comparison here for hands, like I mentioned earlier with the wife saying the one's a little bit bigger. You can definitely see when I'm holding them side by side. Now I prefer the bigger one. Now my wife prefers, just for the hand holding ability, she prefers the Contigo. I prefer the Yeti, and that might just be a hand size deal. She has pretty petite hands, which has its own sets of benefits. Now here's likely the deal breaker for everybody on this cup, or on these cups. Now they do advertise both as being dishwasher safe, but if I go to the manufacturer's website, I find out that the body for the Contigo is hand wash, whereas with the Yeti, the whole thing of the Yeti is dishwasher safe, which is pretty awesome when it comes to cleaning these cups. One word of caution when you're using the Contigo cup: just remember to release the pressure in these things before you take a sip. Found out a hard lesson there once. I tipped the cup back, pushed the button, and you'll get a very involuntary shot of coffee at a high rate of velocity. Not fun, especially if the coffee's freaking hot. Another case in point that I do like this cup right now, that's the one on my desk while I'm filming the video, is my Yeti. This is my whole mug of coffee, and the other one's the kind of grab it on the road or grab it to go. If you like the comparison, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you have any comments or which mug do you prefer, leave me a comment down below. I'm curious to see what other people pick. They are both great mugs. You probably can't go wrong with either of them. Good luck with whatever your choice of coffee cup is. Till then, happy Yeti.